Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying power and basic connections because most issues are simple. Confirm earbuds in case show charge, and make sure your phone is paired to the earbuds profile. Once paired, play audio and check both system and app volume. Many apps have their own mute. If silence persists, remove and reseat the earbuds in the case, then try a wired alternate source or different phone to isolate whether the problem is the earbuds or the source device. Now proceed to deeper fixes. Unpair the earbuds from every device and perform the manufacturer's reset. This clears corrupt profiles and sync issues. Make sure the companion app is up to date and apply any firmware patches. Updates often fix audio routing bugs. After each change, test audio with both left and right buds separately and with another phone or a wired adapter. This helps determine whether the problem is a firmware bug, Bluetooth interference, or a failed driver element inside a bud. To finish, perform targeted hardware steps. Gently clean charging contacts and mesh with 70% isopropyl and a soft brush, then try a factory reset if you haven't already. This resolves stubborn state errors. If one bud stays silent, test wired audio to confirm a failed speaker. If wired works, it's likely Bluetooth module failure. Finally, if hardware fault remains or water damage is present, claim warranty or seek repair. Key troubleshooting tip: isolate source by testing with two.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.